Welcome back to the Big Sweep, gals and guys. Today we're sharing 17 lazy cleaning tips that will make your life so much easier. Remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. We all know that cleaning can sometimes feel like a chore, a never-ending cycle of dust and clutter. These tips are designed to bring a spark of joy back into your cleaning routine. They are simple, effective, and will help you achieve a clean and organized home without spending hours on your hands and knees. Let's dive right in. Have you ever noticed how dust seems to magically reappear on lampshades just moments after you've dusted them? It's a frustrating cleaning conundrum. But fear not, for there's a surprisingly simple and effective solution: a lint roller. Simply run the lint roller gently over the surface of the lampshade and watch as it effortlessly picks up dust, dirt, and even pet hair. This quick and easy tip will save you time and effort and leave your lampshades looking clean and dust-free. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see all that dust disappear with each swipe of the lint roller. Ceiling fans are notorious for collecting dust, and cleaning them can often feel like an acrobatic feat. But what if I told you there's a way to clean your ceiling fan blades without sending dust bunnies flying all over the room? All you need is a simple pillowcase. Simply slip the pillowcase over each blade, one at a time, and gently pull it off. The dust will be trapped inside the pillowcase, preventing it from scattering around the room. This method is not only effective, but also incredibly easy on the shoulders. Dryer sheets are a laundry staple, but did you know they also have hidden cleaning superpowers? Specifically, they can work wonders on your baseboards. Run the dryer sheet along the baseboards, and be amazed as it effortlessly picks up dust and leaves behind a fresh, clean scent. Dryer sheets are particularly effective at attracting and trapping dust due to their static cling properties. Plus, the added fragrance is a delightful bonus, leaving your home smelling clean and inviting. If you share your home with furry friends, you know the struggle of pet hair is real. But don't despair. There's a surprisingly effective tool for tackling pet hair on carpets: a squeegee. The rubber blade of the squeegee effectively gathers pet hair from carpets, pulling it up and away from the fibers. Simply use short, sweeping motions to guide the squeegee across your carpets and watch in amazement as it gathers up those pesky pet hairs. You'll be amazed at how much hair it picks up. A splattered microwave is a common sight in many kitchens, but cleaning those stubborn food splatters doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing. Instead, turn to two pantry staples: vinegar and baking soda. To effortlessly clean your microwave, fill a microwave-safe bowl with a mixture of equal parts water and vinegar. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for several minutes, or until the mixture comes to a boil. The steam will help loosen any stuck-on food particles. Children's toys can harbor a surprising amount of dirt and grime. Did you know your dishwasher can be a surprisingly effective toy cleaning ally? Gather up all those small plastic toys. Think building blocks, bath toys, and action figures, and place them in the top rack of your dishwasher. Run them through a regular wash cycle using your usual dishwashing detergent. The high heat of the dishwasher will effectively sanitize the toys, while the powerful water jets will blast away any dirt and grime. Your children's toys will emerge sparkling clean and ready for more playtime adventures. Stainless steel sinks are designed to be resistant to stains, but over time they can lose their luster and develop unsightly watermarks. But there's a simple and natural solution that will have your stainless steel sink gleaming once again: a lemon. Cut a lemon in half and rub the cut side over the entire surface of your sink, paying particular attention to any stubborn watermarks or stains. The citric acid in the lemon will help break down mineral deposits and leave your sink sparkling clean. Rinse the sink thoroughly with water and dry it with a soft cloth. Dust and fingerprints on screens can be incredibly distracting, but cleaning them without leaving streaks or scratches can be a challenge. Paper towels often leave behind lint, and harsh cleaning solutions can damage delicate screens. The solution? Coffee filters. Coffee filters are surprisingly effective at cleaning screens. Their soft, lint-free texture gently removes dust and fingerprints without scratching the surface. Simply wipe the coffee filter across your screens in a gentle, circular motion. Your screens will be crystal clear and free of dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Dusting blinds can be a tedious and time-consuming chore, but it doesn't have to be. A simple sock can be your secret weapon for quick and easy blind cleaning. Slip an old sock onto your hand and lightly dampen it with water. Run your hand along each slat of the blinds, using your fingers to gently remove dust and cobwebs. The sock will attract and hold onto the dust, leaving your blinds clean and dust-free. Grout, the stuff that fills the spaces between tiles, can be a magnet for dirt and grime. But don't despair. An old toothbrush can be your secret weapon for restoring your grout to its former glory. Dip an old toothbrush into a mixture of baking soda and water to form a paste. Scrub the grout lines with the toothbrush, using a circular motion to work the paste into the grout. The baking soda will help lift stains and brighten the grout. Rinse the grout thoroughly with water and admire your handiwork. Drawers, especially those containing clothes or linens, can become dusty and cluttered over time. But who wants to spend hours emptying drawers and refolding clothes? A handheld vacuum can be your secret weapon for effortlessly refreshing your drawers. Simply use the handheld vacuum to suck up any dust, crumbs, or debris lurking in the corners and crevices of your drawers. This quick and easy method will leave your drawers feeling fresh and clean without the need for a major decluttering session. Pet hair seems to have a magical ability to cling to furniture, especially upholstery. But there's a simple and surprisingly effective solution for removing pet hair from furniture: a rubber glove. Put on a rubber glove. The kind you use for dishwashing works perfectly, and lightly dampen it with water. Run your hand over the surface of your furniture and watch as the rubber glove effortlessly picks up pet hair. Your furniture will be free of pet hair and ready for snuggling with your furry friends. We've all been there. You're getting dressed in a hurry, and you accidentally get deodorant marks on your clothes. But don't panic, a dryer sheet can come to your rescue. Simply rub the dryer sheet over the deodorant mark using gentle back and forth motions. The dryer sheet's texture will help lift the deodorant residue away from the fabric. This quick and easy trick can save you from having to change your clothes. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell for more lazy cleaning hacks. Water rings on wood furniture can be unsightly, but they're not always easy to remove. However, a hairdryer can be your secret weapon for making those pesky water rings disappear. Set your hairdryer to its lowest heat setting and hold it a few inches away from the water ring. Move the hairdryer in a circular motion, heating the water ring evenly. The heat will help evaporate the trapped moisture. Once the water ring has faded, buff the area with a soft cloth. Toilet stains can be stubborn and unsightly, but there's a simple and effective solution that doesn't involve harsh chemicals: a pumice stone. A pumice stone is a natural abrasive that can effectively remove mineral deposits and stains from porcelain surfaces. Simply wet the pumice stone and rub it gently over the stain, using a circular motion. Your toilet will be sparkling clean and free of unsightly stains. Scuff marks on walls can be unsightly, especially if you have young children or pets. But don't despair. Magic erasers are here to save the day. Simply dampen the magic eraser and rub it gently over the scuff mark. The magic eraser will lift away the scuff mark without damaging the paint. Your walls will be free of scuff marks and looking their best. Cleaning windows can be a frustrating task. You strive for that crystal clear shine, but streaks seem to magically appear. But there's a simple and effective solution that will leave your windows sparkling clean and streak-free: a mixture of vinegar and water. In a spray bottle, combine equal parts white vinegar and water. Spray the solution onto your windows and wipe them clean with a microfiber cloth. Your windows will be so clean, you'll swear they've disappeared. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Embrace the joy of a cleaner, more organized home. By incorporating these simple and effective tips into your routine, you can maintain a clean and tidy home without spending hours on your hands and knees. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.